So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create and verify Bybit account. So to do this, all you have to do is right here, open up your Bybit. So mine's not verified. So to complete verification to deposit and trade, you'll have to verify. So as you can see here, you can identify verification. So here, just press verify now and then verify your identity. You'll set your country and type of ID card, passport, driver's license, or residence permit. So ID card is what I will choose. So you would want to allow Bybit to access their camera so that you can take a picture of the certain document that you want. So once that is done, that you will be redirected to your camera. So you will have to place also your residency of where you live. So after that, you will have to pick a picture of your ID, and once you have done that, you'll have to write down the details of your ID, and then you will have to be verified through picture of your face next. From there, they will have to analyze if you are really that person, so it's going to come back to you within 5 hours or 2 days or more, and then within that time period, it's going to be verified in no time. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.